Alright, this is Audacious Jack here. I'm here to talk to you about how to connect to a server. Just to let you know, for those who don't already know, I'm in charge of Katner Games. You can check out our website at www.katnergames.com slash playing minecraft.html, or you can go to our minecraft server.html. We also will be planning to have tournaments as well, Minecraft tournaments.html. The same starting thing, CatnerGames.com. Anyway, so right here we have single player, we have multiplayer. So you have single player is what you're already familiar with. Anybody knows how to do that. You should know how to do it anyway. If you can connect to this point, it's pretty much self-explanatory. And if you don't already know, I showed it in my beginners tutorials on my playing Minecraft.html. So I'm going to assume you already know. So we're going to go to multiplayer. Okay, so you can see that's my local thing, so we're not going to worry about that. This right here is the my current server. I have the IP address. You can hide it, you can have it open. For the video, I just have it for hidden. If you want to know how to connect, you can go to my website to find that information. So to basically connect to somebody's server or your own, you can, and I've seen some YouTube videos, and one of them talked about local connection, which you can do that too. But if you want to connect with somebody else's server, you find out their server number and you put it in. So we're going to do, okay, you can do a direct connect if you want, and then type in some IP address right here, and click on join server, or you can click add server like I did, which is more convenient so you don't type it over and over again. So you'll go ahead and you'll click add server, and it'll be like my Minecraft server, or Billy Bob's, or whoever, Joe Bob's Minecraft server. And right here you'll put in the IP address, and it'll normally, if you already know it, then you type it in. If you don't, you'll go to one of the servers that you want to join, or your friend's server or whoever, and you find out the IP, and then you just type it in. Normally it'll be like these digits. You got, this is just an example. Actually, let me do a better example. 123.123.123.12. Okay, so that'd be like the IP, and then you're going to put a colon in there, and then you're going to put the port, whatever the port number is. Okay, so you have the IP address, and then you have the port number. You can select, you can hide the address, like you want to do something video or something and hide it, or you can go ahead and click no, and if you're not worrying about that, and you can just have it open, and you just click done, and it will scan for it, polling. Obviously it's not going to find it because that's a made up number. Okay, and if it can't reach it, it'll say can't reach server. It's definitely if it doesn't exist. In this case, this is a local thing, and you can type in local, or you can put in a IP number if the local's not working. You can put in the IP address of your modem if you want to play locally. In this case, this is an actual connection. This is what it's going to look like if you successfully connect, and you put in the right IP, and you put in the right port number on this side, IP on this side, on the left side. And you put that in, then you'll see this. It'll show the status, how well it's connected. Obviously I'm connecting somewhat good. I'm not perfect. Sometimes I'm perfect on connecting, and other times I'm good. Depends on my connection. This server that I have is not on my computer. Okay, so I'm connecting to a server somewhere else that I own the server in another location. But on my personal computer, it's connecting, and this is how fast it's connecting from my computer. Probably not the fastest, but it connects. And then this shows how many players you have. So this is the maximum number, like I have 20 right here, and I can change it on my server stuff. And this is the how many is currently there. Right now there's nobody there. Okay, if I go in, it's going to say there's one person there. So all you do is you just click on that, and then let's say you just click on join server right here, and then you just click join server. It's going to log you in, Okay, that's where I left off. And then to exit, you just click on disconnect, and then you'll leave the game. I don't know if it. No, it doesn't. I can see it on the server end. You just hit escape key for your game menu, and then click disconnect, and it takes you back to the main menu. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. And then you just hit quit game when you're done, and that's it. Pretty simple. Or you can go back in and do another server. And that's it. There's nothing. It's very simple. Very simple to do. You could I could go over this stuff. This is pretty much makes it so you can run faster. That's all this is. And there's a documentation that shows you how to do that. And I'm not going to go into all that, but I just did in Notepad in order to speed up, make it faster for my Minecraft, so it's not so slow. Basically, I'm doing it on 2 gigabytes. I recommend not do more than half, whatever your computer is. I mean, you could if you want to, but I don't want it. I wouldn't want your computer not being happy. I wouldn't do half. If you have 4 gigabytes, do 2 gigabytes. If you have 2 gigabytes, do 1. You got to have it on both the XMS and the XMX. You can't have it on one or the other, or just have one filled. Otherwise, it ain't going to run properly. You got to make sure you do the dash jar. Type this right here would be the name of whatever file. If you're doing, it's got to be the exact name of your executable file. So like this, my name of my file is Minecraft.exe. Let's say you name it Minecraft Server.exe. Then this right here has to be the exact same name. Otherwise, it's not going to run it. It'll throw an error. It's not going to work. This right here, you don't have to do Java W. I put Java W. You can also use Java. Either one works. For the server, I think I use Java. For Minecraft, or I mean for Bucket, sorry, for Craft Bucket, I use Java. For the regular Minecraft, I use Java W. Use either one. That's pretty much it. And yeah. So this is Audacious Jack, and I'm signing out.